Hello guys, welcome back to another video guys. In this video we are talking about how you can solve your problem that whenever you want to download any application from Play Store, you can see an error. This app would not work for your device. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can solve this error. So guys, first of all, go to your Play Store. Now click on your profile. Now guys, scroll down and you can see settings option, click on it. Now click on network preference. Now guys, you can see first thing, app download preference, click on it. Now select those option or any network. So guys, click on OK. Now guys, you can see about option, click on it. Now click on update Play Store option. Now guys, this is one step is done. Simply go to your mobile settings. Now guys, go to app management option. Now guys, click on app list and simply search on top Play Store. Now guys, click on Google Play Store. Now guys, you can see permission option, click on it. Now guys, allow all permissions. When you allow all permissions, simply back and you can see storage and cache option, click on it. Now guys, you can see cache 11.17 MB. This is all virus in Play Store application. Simply clear cache. Now guys, this is all steps done. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for further more updates.